بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Hate.
To dislike someone or something very much. I hate to disturb your work.
मुझे आपके काम में खलल डालना अच्छा नहीं लगता.
She hates having her picture taken.
इसे अपनी तस्वीर खींचने से नफरत है.
Shafiq hates it when someone calls him at work.
जब कोई इसे काम के दौरान बुलाए तो शफीक उससे नफरत करता है.
Why do you hate her so much?
तुम उससे इतनी नफरत क्यों करते हो?
He has always hated smoking in public places.
इसे हमेशा अवामी मकामात पर सिगरेट नवशी से नफरत है.
I hate to interrupt, but it's time we go.
मैं खलल नहीं डालना चाहता, लेकिन अभी वक्त है कि हम जाए.
I'd hate you to think I didn't listen what you'd said.
मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ये सोचकर कि मैंने आपकी बातों को नहीं सुना.
Hate somebody's guts. To dislike someone very much. These ladies really hate each other's guts.
ये ख्वातीन वाकई एक दूसरे से बेहद नफरत करती हैं.
Hate on somebody. To criticize someone or say bad things about them, in an unpleasant and public way. Stop hating on them, please. They're my cousins.
बरा करम उनसे नफरत करना छोड़ दो, वो मेरे कज़न हैं.
Grammar. Using hate in the progressive. Hate is not usually used in the progressive. You say, I hate that table. We hated his new wife. Don't say, I am hating that table. We were hating his new wife. In spoken English, people sometimes say I'm hating to describe their feelings about something that is happening right now. I'm hating every minute of this video. My wife loathes housework. These two brothers despise each other. Can't stand. Or can't bear. To hate someone or something. Can't stand is less formal than hate, and is very common in everyday English. He's okay, but I can't stand his wife.
वो ठीक है, लेकिन मैं उसकी बीवी को बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता.
I just can't bear the thought of having to start all over.
मैं सिर्फ ये शुरू ही करने की सोच बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता.
Loathe.
Detest.
My wife loathes housework.
मेरी बीवी घरेलू कामकाज से नफरत करती है.
They had detested their stepbrother for nothing.
उन्होंने बुला वजह अपने सूतेले भाई से नफरत की थी.
You evidently loathe your stepmother.
जाहिर है कि आप अपनी सूतेली मां से नफरत करते हैं.
Despise.
To hate someone or something very much and have no respect for them. These two brothers despise each other.
ये दोनों भाई एक दूसरे को हकीर जानते हैं.
Abhor.
To hate something because you think it is morally wrong. He abhorred smoking.
उसने तंबाकू नवशी से नफरत की.
Abominate.
To hate something very much. I really abominate cruelty of all kinds.
मैं वाक़ईतन हर तरह के जुल्म को हक़ीर समझता हूँ.
Execrate.
To feel and express loathing and hatred of someone or something. Our organization execrates such a policy that interferes with the rights and freedoms of others.
हमारी तनज़ीम ऐसी पॉलिसी से नफरत करती है जो दूसरों के हक़ और आज़ादियों में मदख़ल करती है.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.